What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great start of the week. We scored some customs this weekend from Bob. We did some local trading, and check this out, another recolor of his custom Fandangos. Now, he says he hates this casting, yet check it out. He's done 3 iterations. Of course, I've picked up all the Fandangos he has because they are just gorgeous. The purple is beautiful, and I love the gold on gold. I think that one looks the best. You do have a 2-tone version right here. We have his wheel swapped Chevette. We have his Ferrari. We have a lot of his customs actually in the jammer. We have a lot of his Porsche, Mustangs. We have a couple other Mustangs that he did. We have the Mach-E. We have this one. I believe this one was one of his. And then we picked up this 65 2+2 from him. A lot of great customs my man did. And then we also did a trade between me and my buddy Guy for this GT500 out of the Ultra Hots. Now, it's just a basic wheel swap, but this thing is gorgeous, man. And of course, these are already detailed headlight and tail lights. And the one thing I noticed yesterday was look at the tampo slips on the tail lights. They are definitely much lower than where they need to sit. So I think that is a super cool GT500. We traded a 99 Mustang because Guy actually has a black 2000. He asked if I had one in the collection. The closest one I have is, of course, the 99 Mustang was a popular casting from Johnny Lightning to even Hot Wheels. It was a very good trade because now he has a car that looks like his, and then I have a beautiful wheel swapped GT500 for the collection. So of course, you already saw the title. It is that time. Yet again, we have another mail call. Now, this box right here is from Gary Redman. My man was sitting on top spot as King of the Tower for the longest time in his red Mustang GT. He is currently in 3rd in his Chevy stock car. He does have another car in the lineup. It's a green Corvette, but he did send some extra racers in the box. I don't know what else is in here, but there's only one way to find out, and it's to open it up and see what's inside. All right, guys, here we go. Opening it up. We got some packing peanuts in here. Oh, man, and it looks like he has a lot of extra stuff in here. All right, ooh, first up, here we go. Pink slips. Nice. Number 2 for the collection. Beautiful green fastback, man. Now, you guys saw my last episode where I did actually trade locally for one. But now we have 2 of them, and I will definitely be opening up one of these so I could take some really good pictures. When you open up a casting and take pictures and do all that, it is just a different level of enjoyment. So we have a second one right there. That is beautiful. Uh-oh, next up, here we go, guys. We have the new Moving Parts 2019 Convertible out of Matchbox. You guys already saw the review we did for the Porsche 911, which actually has some damage on it. And I did say if I was going to grab a second one, I was going to remove it from the package. Now, I did actually send an email and, of course, a message to Hot Wheels and Mattel. They reached out saying that they were sorry for it. They put in a whole work order. I submitted the pictures of it. That way, they can at least address the issue of cars being damaged. And mine wasn't the first one. There's other people who were commenting saying they had damage on their chargers and other castings from this same release. So hopefully they listen and actually fix the issue. Now, will they? I don't know. But I guess if they're having a lot of complaints of damaging, which could in turn affect their sales on this, maybe they might want to change it. So since we do have a second one, I am going to open this one up and take it out of the package. Here we go. Such a beauty. God, that thing is nice. Now let's see. Hopefully this one isn't damaged. Now you just got to pop the wheels out, which I don't know. I'm not a fan of that because you could bend axles. Here we go. It is a snug fit, which is the issue. But man, that is a gorgeous green. There you go. Full details, front and rear. Beautiful wheel choice. It's almost like a black chrome, but it has a gold tint to it. But man, that is nice. That is beautiful. Man. All right, let's see. Was there any paint transfer on this one? There actually wasn't. Nice. So maybe cars that are actually hardtops versus a convertible is going to rub more because you guys saw on the Porsche, the roof is what got hit the most. So maybe that is what is helping this casting, but Good thing is this one's not damaged and we were able to open it up for you guys. All right, let's see. Next up, what do we have right here? Ooh, check this out. 67 Camaro out of the XRay Cruiser series. I've never seen this one. This is a super cool livery. Got some flame work, looks like some computer graphics of some sort on there, but another old school opening hood version, which is probably one of my favorites. But love the white interior and 3 spokes. Man, metal on metal, guys. Can never go wrong. This is collector number 947 out of the series. All right, let's see. Next up, we have, the Tundra. Nice. I actually do have this one. I have the full series now, and I actually completed it probably about a month and a half, 2 months ago with the white Tundra that I used to have. Then I gave it away, and then I finally got one back in the collection. So this makes number 2. Next up, we have, another one. Toyota 2000 GT right here. Nice. Of course, this is the karate division. And yeah, like I said before, it is just a super cool series of an event that never happened. So if you're like me and you want to hold on to stuff like that, definitely hold on to this set. For the tracks. Oh, dude, he sent some heavy hitters, man. Look at that. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at these. All right, here we go. Check this out, guys. This is a beautiful freaking casting. Metal on metal. It looks like a Chevy Nova, maybe like a 1970. But you can see Nova on the front fender. You got 350 up front. And, yep, SS on the back. But doesn't say the Nova casting or year, but it's Speed Rebels Rat Attack. Dude, this is a gorgeous freaking Nova, man. Look at that color. Then we have the Pontiac Fiero. This one's got the lace wheels. I think there's a couple variations to this particular one. First Fiero going to be on the track. And then followed up by the Shelby. Here we go. Ooh, and this one's got the FTEs on there. Oh, dude. This is going to be a good one. Beautiful silver metallic. And then the last one. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, but the freaking weight of this thing is extremely heavy. Holy crap. This is the Ultra Hot Ferrari. I think it's a 308. Quick Trick. God, that is nice. Yeah, I think this is a 308. Yep, you can see it on the back. Dude, this thing is heavy, man. You got to let me know which one you want to race first. Like I said, you still have a Corvette to race. Let's see. Yeah, you still have this one right here. So we can always get this one first and then go down the lineup. But let me know. You want the Corvette first or you want one of these heavy hitters? All right, next up, here we go. 65 2+2 in orange. Beautiful setup. I don't know if I have this one or not. Yep, there we go. Right there. So this makes number 2 in the collection of 65s. I don't even know what series this comes out of because I don't have it carded and I don't think it came out of a multi-pack. Definitely not a multi-pack car. But out of my carded ones, yeah, I don't have the orange. We have the 65 Meatball, which was out of a Walmart exclusive set. And yeah, I don't have one carded. So you guys got to let me know which series that comes out of or if this was a multi-pack car. Oh man, check this out. We have a 4-pack. Holy crap. We do not see these here, guys. Check this out. Beautiful lineup of literally 4 cars I collect. You have the 1989 Camaro IROC in blue. And then this beautiful 86 SVO. Oh, man. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. A beautiful, almost like a root beer brown metallic. Man, and then of course followed up by the 96 TA in white. You got the convertible. Man, that is nice as well. And then last, of course, the Z06. God, this lineup is freaking perfect, man. Thank you so much for this. Yep, these are only at Target. We don't get these here. I've only seen these in Florida, and of course people have messaged about these. But we don't get these here, man. We have some other loose castings, right? Oh, here we go. We have the Falcon 2018 Mustang from the ID series. There we go. I do actually have one, man, but still having a second is always good. It is always good to have more than one, just in case for whatever reason. I don't know, maybe you want a wheel swap, maybe you need a trade, maybe you just want to race one and then not have to worry about damaging. So that is where number 2s come in for the collection. Then we have the Viper. Oh man. Oh, this is a gorgeous Viper, man. I do not have one of these. Look at that. Gosh, man, they need to bring this series back. This was just, it was so cool to have the unicorn case, which you guys, if you don't know, the unicorn case usually had the super, the regular treasure hunt, and a chase ID in there. Those were the cases that were so cool to open because you had 3 rare cars in one case, and they need to bring these back. Man, I miss the IDs. Oh, we have another one. Dude, check this out. Man, look at that. Oh, dude. Look at this SVO, man. Gosh, and I just worked out a trade for, I think, the same exact 2 packages. Oh, man, look at the beautiful recolors, man. The IROC in that red, the SVO in the shell-style livery, then, of course, the TA in blue, and the Z06 in red. Oh, man. Oh, this is a freaking solid 4-pack release right here. Holy crap, man. Nice. So, that means the ones I traded for, I will definitely be opening up because you guys know all of these cars, except for the SVOs, I collect loose. I have all my IROCs loose, all my Firebirds, and Corvettes. Oh, we have a couple more loose ones right here. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that is wicked, man. And red lines on Spectra Flame red. Dude, what is this? 68 Camaro? Heavy Chevy, man. Oh, that is such a beautiful car. Oh, look at that, dude. Man, that is gorgeous. Gotta love it, man. Holy crap, that is nice. All right, and then next up we have, we have another one. Look at that. Oh, it's that aqua blue Spectra Flame. Dude, that is freaking beautiful. Man, here we go, dude. This is freaking nice. Oh, they don't do Spectra Flame like they used to. And when they do, man, they usually put it on the RLCs. All right, and then last one we have is the 1970. Oh, dude. Dude, this is the Chase. No freaking way. Nice, man. Look at that. This is the Chase version of it. You see the orange screwdriver, the black chrome. The mainline version is right up here with the blue screwdriver and the chrome wheels. I think the interior is black. Yep, there we go. And then we have the matching orange with the orange screwdriver for the Chase. We also have one right there. So this is a second one. Dude, that is awesome, man. Wow. All right, there we go, guys. Oh, man. This is freaking wild. Dude, thank you so much. And of course, if you need anything, always reach out, man, because the 2 AutoWorld 4-packs, freaking choice, my dude. And then, of course, we have a second fastback from the Pink Slip series. We got some extras for the collection. The 67 Camaro, that one's new. We have an extra one that we were able to open for you guys from the new moving parts package, which we all have our issues with. Then we have a 2+2 extra. We have another Chase piece. Dude, thank you so much for that. We have 2 beautiful IDs in here. We have the blue and red heavy Chevy 68 Camaros. And then, of course, 4 awesome racers for the track. But let me know, man, if you want the Corvette first or you want one of these, because I really want to see how well this Ferrari does, man, because that thing is heavy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on anything you saw. And of course, who else has money on the Ferrari? I think the Ferrari is going to just, oh man, I'm kind of nervous because we all seen how well this 442 did, but Gary does send some heat, man. So hopefully you all have a great rest of the week. Good luck and happy hunting out there. And of course, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.